So I wanted to share with you this new FQQ portable monitor that is perfect for those who work from home or game or use their computer a lot and are either constantly on the go or can use a portable extra monitor. And this monitor is great. It has high quality screen, it is easy to connect, and it can connect to both the MacBook and PC, laptops, and computers. And I'm going to show you just how easily it does that. So inside this box, you get a couple of things. You get of course, you get the monitor itself, but you get a screen protector, which I think is awesome because you can protect your new monitor's screen fresh out the box. You don't have to worry about anything happening to it. Then, of course, you get the monitor itself. Inside, it is protected with this nice cushion to make sure that the monitor doesn't crack or break on its way to you in transit. And then also it has a user guide and a bunch of wires that you can use to connect it to your laptop or your computer, depending on what you're connecting it to and what kind of device you're connecting it to. It gives you a lot of different options, so it can connect to a lot of different devices. And I will show you how quick and easy it is to connect in just a moment using these pieces here. And then it also comes with this cord. Before I forget, it comes with this guidebook that has any answer to any question you can use. Trust me, I used it a couple times when setting it up initially, but overall it's not that hard to set up. And then it also comes with a cord collector to keep all of these cords nice and organized. So when you first open your monitor, it has this sheet over it, once again to protect it from fingerprints and dust before you open it. So you just peel this part off and your screen is ready to use. And I have been in love with this screen since I used it. I recently went to visit my family and was traveling on the train and used this the whole time. Also in this box, speaking of traveling, they give you a travel case which will keep it protected while you're on the go. This monitor is absolutely perfect. The video quality on here was surprisingly great. Like, you can watch a full video and not lose the quality, which I was so surprised by. And not only is the quality great, the sound is great. So I mentioned how easy it is to add this to your laptop, and I'm going to show you now. This back piece here is adjustable. So all you have to do is adjust it to the size of your laptop screen, and you have an extra monitor. That quick, that simple, that easy. And it is great for travel purposes, but if you just need an extra monitor at your desk, it works great for that too. Then once it's all connected to your laptop, you will just connect the wires that you need to these slots. I'm using the Type-C and connecting it to my MacBook, and it's perfect. It also has this power button you can change the brightness and all these things, and then these are up and down buttons to manage that. So it's a great monitor. Like I said, if you're someone who travels a lot and can use an extra monitor on the go, this is for you. Or if you're like me and just like having more than one monitor on your setup, you can also use it for that purpose as well.